If you are married, do I need a will for my spouse in case of death? Sean and Lehigh. Sean, I would always say yes. The reason you have a will, and I don't normally answer will questions on the show because it's not really consumer law. There's people out there who specialize in wills, trusts, and estates. The reason you want to have a will is so that person who's signing the will can tell everybody what their last intentions are. This is where I intend my car to go. This is what I want to have happen if I have small kids. I want them to be protected and taken care of. This. You don't want to leave those decisions to the state. If you have somebody specifically like, a cousin who you want to take care of your children, and the cousin has agreed to take care of the children in the event of an untimely death, then you want all that in writing before you expire and you pass on. A will definitely help you set forth your intentions. And I would always encourage everybody to take that opportunity, do a little estate planning, and think about these things. The reason you do estate planning is to protect your relatives and your family, depending on who they are and who you're going to leave stuff to, from having to deal with as many issues as possible after your death. So what you want to do is have a plan in place that will take care of these issues. Now, nobody likes to talk about death, and nobody likes to talk about what happens with your stuff. The people who plan accordingly make the transition a lot easier for the family, for those left behind. And that's really the whole purpose of it. And I don't want to sound callous or rude or nasty, but think about it. It's not about you. It's about the people who are there picking up the pieces after you're gone. And as crazy as that sounds, and as morbid as it sounds, and it does sound a little bit weird, but at the same point in time, you want to make sure, for me, I want to make sure that my family's, hopefully they're going to miss me, but I want to make sure that the transition is going to be a whole lot easier on them now that I'm gone. So if that's one way to look at it, you look at it that way. Okay.